Hello dear, today I will show you how to make code pattern with full information. Thanks for watching. Like, share my video. Code cutting pattern making full information. Measurement: length 27 inch, chest 36 inch, waist 32 inch, hips 37 inch, shoulder 17 inch, across back 15.5 inch, across front 14.5 inch, sleeve length 24 inch, cup opening 10 inch. Start pattern making. Here I start from bottom hem, 2 inch mark for bottom hemming and seam allowance. Here I measure pattern length 27 inch, half inch plus for seam mark. Here I make waist position. Foot length is 27 divided by 2, 13.5 inch, 2 inch down, 15.5 inch waist position. Here I make armhole and chest line position. Chest is 36 inch divided by 4, 9 inch. Here 2 inch up for back cross line. Here I draw line, waist line. Here I draw chest and armhole position. Here I draw back cross point. Here I draw neck line and shoulder. Now here I draw center back line. Here I leave half inch. Now here I make neck width. Chest is 36 divided by 12, 3 inch, 3/4 inch. Back neck deep. Here I make across shoulder 17 inch divided by 2, 8.5 inch and half inch seam allowance. Shoulder slope 1 inch. Here we make shoulder line. So back is 15.5 divided by 7 and 3/4 inch and half inch seam mark. 8/4 across back, 1.25 less, 7 inch. Here 1 inch plus 8 inch back bottom width. Neckline, shoulder, back armhole line, back waist, chest line, back waist, back bottom line. Here I cut center back. I leave half inch for seam margin. Back pattern cutting finish. Now here we make front part based on back. Here I draw a line for front part same as a back. Shoulder line, front bottom line, front waist line, front chest line, front cross point, and shoulder and neck line. Here I make center front line. Now I make front chest with back chest. Back chest is before I make 7 3/4. 7 3/4 less from center front. Our chest is 36 divided by 2, 18 inch. Half inch seam mark. Here I may measure neck waist before I make 6/34 and 6/34 less from center front. Here I make waist 32 divided by 2, 16 inch and half inch seam mark. Here I measure back waist before I make 7 3/4 inch or 37 divided by 18, half inch and half inch seam mark. 1 inch in mark. Front neck with 3 inch before I make back same. Front neck deep is 3.5 inch. Here I added 3/4 inch for center front overlap. 1 3/4 inch mark for center front up line. 4 inch down pocket position for waist line. Button position, center front, second button, first button. First button line, second button, front brake line, level cross line, level width is 2/4 inch, level line, front shoulder line, front armhole line, 1 inch in front pocket, chest pocket position from armhole line, 4 inch pocket length, 1 inch chest pocket height, half inch front waist dart deep, front drawing finish. Yeah, now we added 6 inch loose divided by 2, 3 inch and half inch, 1 inch, seam mark 4 inch, 4 inch.